This video, I think, needs some context because I didn't do any opening. So this is Magnetic Island. We got the ferry across from Townsville to Magneticon, and this video's only 10 minutes long, and I'll explain throughout what happens because I didn't film much, but I did film a bit, and then there'll be a last vlog after this one. So this is the second to last.
Yeah. And it would make you want to have another drink. You have one.
I'll have to explain this really quickly, but we were playing Drunk Bingo, as you can see, and Ellie was bitten by a horsefly and she's allergic to them. And then she took one what's it called, like allergy tablet, and then she had a whole bottle of wine and then took another one, and then she ended up in an ambulance, but the ambulance was rubbish, but that was it.
We went to one oh yeah, that's what we did for our I was some tasty cheese crackers and salami, 2 packs of eggs for lunch. Some creamy chicken. Oh, that is just in case we don't like the easy mac. Because
I fucking quite like these macs.
I've never tried that. 4 packs of croissants. Stray apple. Just the one. Another pack of $1 something. First to get with this best purchase of the day. $1.50 for full bread rolls.
Fucking
Times beans.
the one for 2?
Huh?
That's meant to feed 2 people.
No. I went for the spaghetti.
Why does it say the one for 2?
Yeah, I think that's what it means. It's meant to be for 2 people. That's smaller.
2 people.
But if you think the beans at home probably are supposed to fall 4.
Little one. And then in this bag we've got meals for tonight. Mango curries.
Curries.
Yeah, they did curry in this.
I was a bit concerned that they
just
weren't.
had to put it in the micro. Yeah.
Weren't they hot though when you picked them up?
Yeah, but we'll just let them go cold and reheat.
Oh, okay. They scared me a
And they
bit.
were $6 for juice also.
It's done.
So we've probably got the deals in this shop. Yeah. So that's it, I think, actually. As for the total, 54.98, which come to about £14 each. But that's for tea for tonight, lunch for today, breakfast, lunch and tea tomorrow.
Do you want mine?
Yeah.
So. Sit tight, girls. I'll let them breathe out. Have another sip of my drink.
Do you want to quick say what happened last night?
Basically I got bitten by a horsefly, which I'm allergic to. Had an allergic reaction during Drunk Bingo. Nearly passed out in Drunk Bingo. I was sat on the bench and I was like, felt my neck going. Had to be in the medic room, take an antihistamine. Accidentally took 2 while drinking. Basically overdosed. I was sat outside with an attractive man holding me up. Apparently.
Singing the WAP.
Singing the WAP. Drifted in and out of consciousness. Then all of a sudden I was on a fucking stretcher.
In the back of an ambulance.
Now I can't be seen at the hostel. I don't want them to be like, what happened? And I'll be like, literally just got taken to bed.
Now she's got a plaster.
Yeah, they put a massive bandage on my leg. I woke up this morning and went, what the fuck is that? Ripped that off. It was literally, I was wrapping and unwrapping. He was
It was like a bite.
you could take this off when you shower.
It was like a blister.
No, they're not allergy bites though. They're just,
Bites you've picked.
yeah.
Right.
Bites that I've itched. Yeah, that one was grim.
Cool.
Yeah, I can feel my leg. Anyway, this is my little IGA in Maggie Island. There's nothing fucking here, by the way. If you ever, there's no way Jen and Imogen are coming here.
We've hired a car.
We're waiting for our car. Which is coming in 2 hours.
Susie's asleep.
Right.
That was the cheapest bread that I could find.
White sandwich.
That was $3.
$3.
We had bread in. When did we have bread?
Byron
Byron Bay. That was alright.
I've got some
It's probably got sugar in it.
Nutella.
$3.
Shall I get
I think it was $3. It might have been $6.
Hang on, bear with.
It's a small tub. Look how small it is.
Bear with.
220 grams.
I won't repeat the price.
Was it more than $6?
$5.20.
Oh.
Half a bag of Sour Patch Kids, because I've already fucking devoured them. That was... pack of Pringles. My childhood snack. Cheddar shapes. My sister wants me to bring some of them back. Have you seen how fucking bulky they are? No.
Take them out the packet. Take them out the box.
Yeah, I could actually was it. I'd eaten them for myself though. Anyway, they were $3, but I can steal £1.
See if they sell them in Melbourne Airport. Get them duty free like I am.
Easy work. It's done. And this is mine and Susie's dinner for tonight. A carbonara. Pasta and sauce. Sorry? Milk. Yeah, Susie's got the milk. Don't worry, guys. Some shredded parmesan. $3.
It's only £1.
I reckon that's a
50.
bar. That's a bar.
What was your total?
Oh. £15. Not dollars, pounds. $30. What? I think that was a steal.
Yeah, but
It was the Nutella.
There's a reason I got very ill at uni.
Nutritious.
Oh, they were lovely.
Why are you driving then?
It's a street road. At the why don't it lift up? I can't find quite low. Oh fucking what? Oh, I broke the screen.
I've not updated this vlog in absolutely ages, but when at Magnetic Island there's absolutely nothing to do here. If you can do a day trip, I wouldn't even bother doing that. It's raining, it's boring, and the old man is snoring. It's fucking awful. But, oh well, I'm going to make some Nutella toast for my lunch as there's nothing else to bloody do.
Buswanker!